Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the Philips Airfryer 3000 series 6.5 QT, which is a large capacity air fryer designed to deliver the healthier meals with up to 90% less fat. But the question here is it actually worth the price in 2026? Stick around in order to find that out. And if you want to check the latest pricing or if you want to grab this one for yourself, the link is in the description box below. Now, the biggest selling point of this particular product here is the patented Rapid Air Plus technology, which circulates the hot air in a star-shaped design to ensure the crispy outsides and tender insides. So in the real world usage, it does a solid job. Fries, chicken, and even baked good come out evenly cooked and nicely crisped. The 6.5 quart capacity is ideal for the families easily handling the larger portions in one batch. So you are also going to get 16 cooking presets covering everything from air frying and baking to roasting and hydrating. The touchscreen interface is also responsive and easy to navigate, and the favorite button is a nice touch for saving the custom settings. There is also a cooking window which is going to let you monitor the food without opening the basket. It's useful, but at higher temperatures, it can fog up slightly. The fat removal system is another standout feature. It helps separate the excess fat during the cooking and making the meals more lighter. It works, though it's not 100% perfect, as some residue still remains. So if you want a feature-packed family-sized air fryer focused on the healthier cooking and versatility, this is a strong contender. But if you are just want a simple budget-friendly air fryer for basic crisping, there are some other cheaper options available that can get the job done. So if you want to check this one out, the product link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.